RV Essentials Australia has just released their new range of laundry detergent sheets. They come in 3 fragrances: Airlie Breeze Ocean Breeze fragrance, Nullarbor Pure fragrance free, and Daylesford Bloom lavender fragrance. Each box comes with 50 sheets equivalent cleaning power of 2.5 litres of liquid detergent. The sheets can be torn in half for smaller washes and are lightweight and soft to the touch. RV Essentials Australia is a proudly Australian-owned company selling all of your caravan accessories. The laundry detergent sheets are a gentle formula, plastic-free, low foam, septic-safe, and ideal for RVs and caravans. Compatible with hot or cold water, front and top loaders, and bucket washing. The laundry sheets are vegan-friendly and fragrances come from essential oils, safe for babies and sensitive skin. The sheets are eco-friendly, gentle on sensitive skin, no mess, and dissolves in seconds. No more large bulky bottled detergents. The laundry detergent sheets store in minimal space, creating lightweight options for your laundry needs while travelling Australia in your caravan or RV. Simply load your washing machine with clothes and add your detergent sheet for a clean, fresh smelling wash.